What's up guys, today I am going to show on 10 best winder cable organizer from AliExpress in 2020. Cable winder will allow you to keep cords and cables neat and organized at all time. No more cable clutter or tangled cords behind your workstation. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell and like, comment my video. Let's go. Number 10 is 50 PCS/lot adhesive car cable organizer clips cable winder drop cable holder cord management desk wire tie fixer car wire clip. This product has 1,494 reviews and 3934 orders. The price is $0.01, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is Number 9 is IKSNAIL cable holder silicone cable organizer flexible USB winder management clips holder for mouse keyboard earphone headset. This product has 2,134 reviews and 9113 orders. The price is $0.99, 4.88, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is Number 8 is 1M3M5M Nano Magic Tape Double-Sided Tape Transparent No Trace Reusable Waterproof Adhesive Tape Cleanable Home Gecko Tape. This product has 16,137 reviews and 51,386 orders. The price is $1.99, 4.83, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is and number 7 is 12*150mm 50 PCS Factory Direct T-Type Velcro Cable Tie Wire Storage Cable Computer Data Cable Power Cable Tie Wire. This product has 815 reviews and 2,603 orders. The price is $1.60, 3.83, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is Number 6 is 20 PCS Cable Winder Clip Adhesive Charger Clasp Desk Wire Cord Earphone Telephone Line Tie Fixer Organizer Car Wall Clamp Holder. This product has 1,523 reviews and 4,061 orders. The price is $0.01, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is Number 5 is Baseus Cable Organizer Wire Winder USB Cable Management Charger Protector for iPhone Mouse Earphone Cable Holder Cord Protection. This product has 1,490 reviews and 3,846 orders. The price is $0.01, 0.49, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is Number 4 is Ugreen Cable Organizer Wire Winder Cable Holder 14 cm for mouse cord earphone HDMI Auxiliary USB Cable Management Wire Cable Protector. This product has 2,850 reviews and 5,804 orders. The price is $0.88, $3.99. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is Number 3 is TOPK Nylon Magic Sticker Cable Protector Cable Organizer Wire Winder Earphone Mouse Cord Management for iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi. This product has 465 reviews and 1,667 orders. The price is US $1.29, 2.99. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is Number 2 is 20PCS FONKEN USB Cable Winder Arc Organizer Tape Home Harness Finishing Fixed Cables HDMI Auxiliary PC Power Wire Ties. This product has 1,487 reviews and 2,692 orders. The price is US 65 cents, 1.71. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is Number 1 is FONKEN USB Cable Winder Cable Organizer Ties Mouse Wire Earphone Holder HDMI Cord Free Cut Management Phone Hoop Tape Protector. This product has 4,791 reviews and 8,466 orders. The price is US 64 cents, 2.78. So this is the best option for you to buy.
Thank you for watching this video. If you do not see my last videos, you should see this. Please like, comment, share my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.